Hello guys, it's me again, KYM39, also known as Kiyama. This time we're going to try, what should we call it? A facility, a product, or a service? Well, that's basically it. A website that provides generative fill services, like those in Adobe Firefly. And in my opinion, the results are even better. And of course, it's free for now because it's still in beta, unlike Adobe Firefly, which requires a payment and only gets one use if you're a free user. Okay, let's get straight to it. Open your browser. Then type Bria AI, or you can go directly to Bria.ai. Once done, click the Start Now button. A new page will open. Select Image Editing on the left. Then select Demo Playground here. Then select Image Editing, the one with the image of the person drinking. Upload the image you want to fix or change. Click the Objects menu on the left. As usual, you can adjust the brush size. We'll try removing the mountain image. Enter a prompt in this box. Then set the number of results you want. This time, I'll just try 2. Then, click the Generate button and wait for the results. Here are the results. Okay, now let's try it in Adobe Firefly. We'll use the same image and prompt. Will the results be the same? You can see the difference for yourself. What are your thoughts? You can leave your feedback in the comments section. Okay, that's it for this video. Keep watching my videos even if you've already watched them. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and comment are free. So please subscribe if you haven't already. And please like, share, and comment on all my videos. Especially this one, it means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.